Way 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. On Windows 10 and 11, the operating system provides an inbuilt troubleshooter called the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This tool is specifically designed to diagnose and resolve issues related to Windows Update. Open the settings. From there, choose the Update and Security option. Then, select the Troubleshoot option from the left pane. Scroll down the list and select Windows Update. Click on the Run the Troubleshooter button. Way 2. Free up disk space. A minimum of 16 GB of free storage space is needed. If not, you need to free up space on your computer. Press Windows R to open the Run box. Type Clean Manager and press Enter. This will launch the Disk Cleanup utility. Select the drive you want to clean up from the drop-down menu. Select the file categories you want to delete from the list, and then press OK. You can also choose to clean up system files. Then, click on Delete Files to confirm it. Way 3. Run System File Scan. Running a system file scan helps solve the problem of system file corruption, which causes Windows updates not to download. In the command prompt window, copy and paste the following commands one by one, and press Enter after each. This process may take a while, and wait for the system file scan to complete. Way 4. Remove Software Distribution folder. The Software Distribution folder is a temporary location where Windows stores updating files and installation components. If the Software Distribution folder becomes corrupted, it can lead to issues with Windows updates. Deleting the folder can help resolve the problem. If Windows won't let you delete it because the Windows Update service is running in the background, you should disable it first. Type CMD in the search box and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following command to disable Windows Update service. Then you are able to delete the folder. If you see could not be stopped, that is because your Windows Update Services startup type is manual. You need to change it to automatic first. Press Windows R to open the Run window, type services.msc, and hit OK. In the Services window, scroll down to find the Windows Update service and open it. Choose Automatic and click Apply, then you are able to run the command and delete the folder. Back up your data. Performing a Windows upgrade can lead to data loss or system failures. Besides, it is a good habit to back up your system as a routine. Here I will use free AOME Backupper to show you how to do it. If you find it useful after watching, please download it in the description. Launch AOME Backupper on your computer. Click Backup and then select System Backup. Choose the destination path where you want to store the backup files. You can click Schedule to set automatic backup. Then click on the Start Backup button to initiate the system backup process. It is suggested to save a copy of the backup image to another place. After that, if an accident happens, you can hit Restore to get your system back. You can also create a bootable media with this tool, in case it can't boot up normally when your system crashes. AOME Backupper is an all-in-one backup tool. It can backup and restore, sync, and also clone your disk and system and more. Hit the link in the description to download the free version to try it. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. And don't forget to subscribe to us. If you have any questions or issues, please leave comments or email us.